To create a floor plan, click WLAN, then Floor Plan. Click the Add button and give the floor plan a name. Then select your floor plan in PNG or JPEG file format. Similar to the heat map application, the scale of the map and the obstacles can be set on this plan. Click Edit Floor Map and scale the map. Next, place the obstacles on the map. Notice that the custom obstacles previously created are still listed. Select the obstacles and place them on the map. Once the obstacles are on the map, the next action is to automatically deploy the APs on the map. Choose between one of the three quality levels. The best quality level, Excellent, provides more APs to cover the map areas. Select the AP model to be deployed and click OK. APs are automatically deployed on the map covering the entire floor. Another way to use the floor plan is to manually deploy the APs on the plan. In the Edit Floor Map window, click the Add button to deploy the AP model desired. Click multiple times to deploy multiple APs. Place the APs on the plan and click Save the Layout. OmniVista will then simulate the Wi-Fi coverage of these APs within the plan. This application can be used to plan deployments of APs in an environment.